Sweden is building a project designed to last 100,000 years, not a bridge, not a dam, not even a city, but a nuclear waste repository so advanced that it could protect future generations for longer than human civilization has existed. Nuclear power provides clean carbon-free energy, but it comes with a dark side: radioactive waste that remains deadly for hundreds of thousands of years. Just a handful of this material could poison water supplies or render land uninhabitable. Temporary storage is risky. Accidents, leaks, or political instability could spell disaster. Sweden needed a permanent solution that would stay safe long after today's governments, languages, and even cultures are gone. It's a vast underground labyrinth being carved into the bedrock on Sweden's eastern coast. Engineers are designing a system so secure that even if humanity disappears, the waste will remain sealed and harmless. The plan is breathtaking in scale. First, the used nuclear fuel will be sealed in copper canisters nearly 5 centimeters thick. These canisters will then be surrounded by bentonite clay, a material that swells when wet, locking out water and oxygen. Finally, the entire structure will be buried 500 meters below ground inside granite bedrock that has been stable for nearly 2 billion years. This is where the project becomes almost science fiction. The design must last 100,000 years, longer than Homo sapiens has walked the earth. For perspective, 100,000 years ago, Neanderthals were still alive and modern humans were only beginning to migrate out of Africa. Think about it, the pyramids are only 4,500 years old, Stonehenge is about 5,000, and yet Sweden is planning something meant to endure 20 times longer than recorded history. But how do you warn future civilizations not to tamper with it? Languages evolve, nations fall, and symbols can lose meaning. Sweden, along with international research, is exploring ideas like warning markers etched into stone, or even creating atomic priesthoods to pass down the knowledge through generations. Yet some experts argue the safest path may be silence. Bury it so deep and secure that no one even knows it's there. The project is expected to cost over $10 billion, but Sweden's nuclear operators have been saving for decades. Unlike many countries that struggle with political gridlock over nuclear waste, Sweden's approach is admired for its pragmatism. By the 2080, the repository could hold up to 12,000 tons of spent nuclear fuel, ensuring it never threatens people or the environment.